Look, guys, I actually know what it feels like. You understand the sleepless nights, thinking of a video to shoot, thinking of titles to give your video, setting up your camera. You understand the shooting a video, editing, making out the best thumbnail you can, optimizing your videos, and all of that. And at the end of the day, you hit that you hit that publish button. And then after 24 hours, nothing happens. Do you understand? Maybe at the end of it, or you see just few views or a couple of likes, and your subscriber count just creeps up. You understand? If it moves at all, shall you understand? So I know that you've had all that advice, like you've seen a lot of videos coming up on YouTube, many advices, some big content creators telling you be consistent, make good content, optimize your videos, and all of that. But what if there was one simple free trick that could actually get to that 1,000 subscribers? Yes, like I mean a trick that I have personally used in the last 30 days. Trust me, no advert and no magic pills. It's just very pure and undeniable growth. You understand, guys? So please stick around because this is the video secret that nobody is telling you about. Now, before I hit my first 1,000 subscribers, guys, I was exactly where you are today. I was frustrated, I was demotivated. Yes, I watched like every video that comes online, how to grow a YouTube video, how to get subscribers. Like I tried every hack and still I felt stuck in the YouTube mode. And at a point, I was about giving up. Then I stumbled upon something like something so simple, yes. And it is very, very obvious that it felt like, okay, I think this is cheating or this is not, real and all of that. But guys, it is not cheating. It is a smart, proven way. So today, guys, I'm going to pull back the curtain and explain to you exactly how I did it, step by step method that I followed, so that you too can actually do the same thing. Do you understand? So stick around because this video is that video that you are waiting for. Now, what is that one trick? The trick is I joined and actively participated in a dedicated WhatsApp community for a fellow YouTuber. Yes. Now, before you roll your eyes and think maybe it is sub for sub, let me stop you right there. This is not about fake engagement. No, this is about strategic, genuine, and reciprocal support. Yeah, so imagine a group of 50 to 100 other small creators just like you. You understand? All of them wanting to grow their channel and all of them sharing each other's content, leaving a thoughtful comment, and genuinely helping each other to boost their initial view performance. Guys, this isn't just about subscribers. It is about watch time, growing your watch time, growing that your visibility, growing your engagement, and also getting YouTube to notice your content. That is basically what this is all about. Now, how does this group work? How it work? Now, this is exactly how this particular group work and how you too can do it, or what you need to do in order for you to scale if you are interested in joining such. Number one is find the right community. Don't just join any group. No, look out for active WhatsApp group that is focused on YouTube growth. You understand? Go to Facebook groups, go to Facebook pages and search for, YouTube growth groups. You can go to Reddit or even ask in the comment section of other YouTube growth videos. Maybe you are scrolling through any someone's YouTube video and you saw maybe what he or she is doing and you're in love with it, you can go down to the comment section and ask if they have any supportive WhatsApp group where you can actually join. You understand? Remember that quality is what we are looking out for here. Quality over quantity. So you see, my group that I belong to, we're more than 100 participants, like active members there. Do you get it? So that is just the first thing. Then the second thing you need to know is the new video drop protocol in that particular group. So in a good group, I don't know about others, but the group where I belong to, when someone drops a new video, they that we have days that we do what is it called, engagement. You understand, there are some group that do engagement, daily engagement. And what do we do there? Every day when the group opens, we drop screenshots of that particular video we want people to watch for us. Mind you, we don't drop link, we drop screenshots. Do you understand? Of that particular video you want people to drop for you. Now, when you drop it, everybody drops it, and at the end of the day, when the group is locked, everybody goes to watch each of those videos. Do you understand? So that is it. So we share our videos, and other members also commit to watching it fully. That particular group is not the group that you go and fast forward the video, or you drag it, or you put it in fast play mode. If you do any of those things, the admin will find out. It is very, very simple, because when they watch the watch time you submitted as proof and it does not tally with what it's supposed to have, that means you cheated. So you have to be patient in that group to watch the video. So we virtually watch the video from beginning to the end, no fast forwarding, so that your time watch or time hour will be very, very complete. And this is what we call that, like, this is crucial actually for watch time. You understand? And at the end of it all, we also like the video, and we also leave a genuine comment. Do you understand? And you too, you do the same thing for others. That is what we do there. Then another thing is why full-time matters. You need to know why your full-time matters if you want to engage in such group. So YouTube algorithm itself loves watch time, especially in the first 24 to 48 hours when you upload a video. So you can imagine when 50 plus people watches your new video for its full duration, YouTube gets a massive signal that your content is valuable. So therefore, it starts pushing it out to more potential viewers. So you see, it is as simple as that. The only thing is, do you have the time? Then another thing is what? Genuine comment and engagement. Please, when you get to such a group, in our group, don't just, like, when you get to that person's video, like when you are watching the person's video on YouTube, don't just type comments like nice video or wow, amazing. No, you need to ask questions, make observation, mention specific points from the video. You understand? These aren't just for the creator. Yes, they signal to the YouTube that the content is, sparking conversation. So know the type of comment to leave under the video. You understand? Then also you need to understand that reciprocity is the key here. And this is a giving and take engagement. You must support others as much as you expect others to support you in return. And it builds trust and also makes the group effective. So you see, then lastly, you need to avoid spam and sub for sub group. A good group will have rules against this. You understand? So if a group feels like pure spam or subscribe for subscribe, that is for sub, please leave that group immediately. Because when you end up joining such a group, it will hurt your channel more than help. Do you understand? When you join a sub for sub group, they don't watch your video. All they do is once they get to your channel, piam, they hit that subscribe button without any engagement or watching of any of your video. Do you get it? So it will not help your video, your channel at all. So you need to focus on watch time and the engagement. Now, my result after 30 days, the transformation that I got after the whole thing. So within the first week of consistent applying to that group and all of that, watching, commenting, and sharing my own videos, guys, I started seeing changes. My views weren't just coming from my tiny subscriber base. No, they were getting a kickstart, and my engagement rate soared. So within 30 days, I hit that sweet 1,000 subscriber mark. Trust me, this wasn't just about the number. It was about the momentum. So YouTube started to see my content as relevant, and it pushed it out to new audience. Trust me, I never would have reached this milestone alone. So this trick worked because I leveraged the power of collective initial engagement. So you see, you have to, like, your challenge for the next 30 days is for you to go and find an active group, participate in one, and also look out for that genuine YouTube creator WhatsApp community where you can be a part of it all. So when you get there, please be consistent, be supportive, you understand? Watch your channel start to move. This isn't a shortcut to bad content. No, you still need great videos actually, but it is a legitimate, free, and incredible effective way for you to give your channel the initial push that it needs. So you've got this, right? Don't just stuck in the cycle of frustration. Please go and find your community and let's grow together. Okay, so if this video helped you a lot, do not forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth secrets, and let me know in the comments section below, have you tried this before? What are your biggest challenges right now? Guys, trust me, I read every single comment and I see them. I will respond to each and every one of them. See you guys in my next video.